Make this year the year of massive action so your resolutions, your goals don't end up here. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Fan of Life channel. I'm Rick Fan, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I'll make this brief. The silver lining in coming off of a challenging year is now we all have perspective. We all know, or at least hopefully we all know, what's important to us. So whatever it is that you want to achieve, do not put it off. Make this year the year that you take massive action. So first and foremost, you have to determine what is it that you want. Keep it simple. It doesn't have to be this grandiose idea. If it's fitness, if it's money, if it's relationships, whatever it is, put pen to paper, write it down, and chunk it. So my suggestion, make short-term daily goals that will equal a win for the week. Progress it weekly so that these weeks turn into months. And what happens after that? You create something known as momentum. And before you know it, when momentum is on your side, magic happens. Make those days into weekly victories, into months. You've conquered the year. But it starts with day one. Set out what is obtainable day one and progress from there. The other thing to focus on is strengthening your mind and strengthening your psyche. The faster way to do that is through association and books. Input the right information to help motivate, educate, and put you on the right path to what is it that you want to achieve. We will become the people we associate with. If your circle of friends are not living the kind of life and have not achieved the things that you want to achieve, no disrespect, and I know this may hurt some feelings, they're not the right circle for you. Doesn't mean that you discard them, they're no longer your friends. All I'm asking is cultivate and seek out new relationships to enhance and better yourself so you can obtain your dreams and goals. Read as much as you can. Watch documentaries, watch YouTube videos. We're in an era of information. So gather as much information as you can. Learn the history lessons of the people that have lived the life you want to live. Learn from their mistakes, their pain even, and cut your time in half through leveraging their experience. And last but not least, understand your why. What is the end result, big picture? If you get fit, is it about the clothes you get to wear? Or is it the physical ability to be with the people you love for a longer period of time? Extending your life on this earth. Is it the finance so that you can buy shiny new toys and cars? Or is it so that you have the financial freedom to be with the people you want to be as much as you want, do the things you want, and to help out who you want? The financial freedom to say, this is the life that I've designed, not the life that I'm stuck with. New Year's resolutions are meant to make you feel good in the moment. Goals are what you shoot to obtain. So attach the action plans, and with momentum on your side, it's going to propel you towards your dreams and goals. 2, make sure you feed your mind with the right information and be around the people that will help shape you to become who you need to be. And then lastly, understanding your why. Because motivation, like the saying goes, lasts as long as a warm bath. It has to be more than just something in the moment. It has to be down deep in your core. My hope for you is to live a life with little to no regrets. And the biggest regret that anyone will ever have is the regret of them not going for it and not trying. Fail if you must, but don't lead a life of I should have. So there you have it. Make this year your best year by taking massive action, strengthening your mind, and understanding your why, and go for it. Future videos, I'll be talking about real estate investing, taxes, Bitcoin, bringing on guests. So stay tuned. We'll see you on the next video. Be sure to hit subscribe, give it a like, and share with your friends.